Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. Georgia Inc. leased the facility from. So these are the owners. Lessee. The lease calls for the company to make semi-annual lease payments over a 5-year period, payable June 30, 12/31. First payment at the beginning of the lease. Borrowing rate is 8% for everybody. They purchased the building at a cost of $3.5 million. So, just a little bit of background before we move into the problem. Originally, this company debited the warehouse as an asset and credited cash or mortgage payable or whatever, okay? Some payable or cash. Then they leased it. Essentially they sold it. So the warehouse goes away, so they debit the lease receivable and they credit the warehouse. So originally it come, at the very beginning, it's $3,500,000 minus the first payment, $414,922, and then we have to figure out what the interest rate is on the remaining, so we have to figure that out next. So let's figure out what the interest would be. So we have $3,500,000 minus $414,922 gives us $3,085,078 times, what's our interest rate? Our interest rate is 8% twice a year. So we need to figure the interest at 4%. I don't know what I did there, but we'll try it again. Oh, I see what I did. So we start again, $3,500,000. Then we start again with the right numbers, $3,500,000 minus $414,922, and then we need 4% of that. Gives us $123,403 is the interest. So of the $414,000 922 payment, 123 of that, 123,403 is interest. So the reduction to the lease receivable is $291,519. So when you do those two subtractions, you come up with $2,793,559 is the amount that's going to end up on the owner, the lessor's balance sheet at the end of that year. So it's the original amount minus the first payment or the down payment minus the reduction after the interest. And then it says what amount's going to appear on the income statement? Just the interest, $123,403. So a little bit of calculations, mostly making sure you understand how leases work.